प्रणाम। गोएछला ट्रेक के दूसरे दिन के वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम साचेन से त्सोका तक जाएंगे। कल पहले दिन के ट्रेक में हम यक्सुम से साचेन तक आए थे, जो कि 8 किलोमीटर का ट्रैक था। आज साचेन से त्सोका जाएंगे, जो कि 7 किलोमीटर का ट्रैक है। इन 7 किलोमीटर हम करीब करीब 5 घंटे में कवर करेंगे और इन 7 किलोमीटर्स में 3 किलोमीटर बहुत ही स्टीप ट्रैक है। काफ़ी तीखी चढ़ाई है और इसमें काफ़ी इसमें ह्यूमिडिटी और गर्मी का भी इसमें असर रहेगा। लेकिन मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली इसमें जोंक का थोड़ा सा खतरा है। कल भी हम लोगों ने काफ़ी सारा जोंक देखा और कुछ लोगों को जोंक ने काटा भी। और आज लेकिन हम लोगों ने एहतियात बरता है। सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट एंड देन मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इस वीडियो को एंजॉय करेंगे, पसंद करेंगे। धन्यवाद। प्रणाम।
So here is our Sechin campsite. This is the campsite. We retired here through the night. Now the camp is getting unfolded. Everyone is at work. Everyone is busy, all packed and ready for today's trek. Abhishek.
Hello.
Hello. And here is Rajat the tiger.
Alright, so we can start removing it.
We are all ready to start for the day. ये हमारे बैकपैक्स हैं। कल मैं पीठ पे लाद के लाया था, बहुत वजन था। आई गॉट टायर्ड, तो आज मैंने इसको ऑफलोड कर दिया। एंड ये आज याक के पीठ पे जाएंगे एंड आई विल बी रिलैक्सिंग।
My neck been denied.
Now this is the trek. We have started our second day trek today. We started at 8:45 a.m. sharp, and this is how it looks. Here is the valley. And here goes the trek. This is steep trek. Today's trek is 7 kilometers. We'll be covering in 3.5-4 hours. There are 3 stages. First we'll trek for 2 kilometers, which is a relatively horizontal trek, not much hike. But after first 2 kilometers, the next 3 kilometers are pretty steep trek, and we'll be gaining a lot of height. And after that again we'll have a 2 kilometer trek. Our trek today is from Sechin to Tsoka, and at Tsoka we'll have we'll be reaching by around 1:32 o'clock in the afternoon. And there is a monastery in Tsoka, and when we reach there I'll cover it over and out for the timing. As I said, the trek is steep today. Luckily I have handed over my backpack, which was around 10 kilos, to the mule guys. They'll be carrying it separately, and I am relatively free. I am carrying a 4 to 5 kilo backpack, which is good for me. Kind of relieved today. I am trekking easily. I hope to complete today's trek quite comfortably over and out for the day. ये है ट्रैक भाई. This is called trekking and रास्ता बड़ा अगम्य है. और ये देखिए कॉर्च. Wow, this is wonderful. Scenic beauty and physical challenge.
Careful to this one.
Yes, this one is a tumbling block. इसमें पैर नहीं रखना जी. हिल रहा है. Wonderful. This is like out of the world. Wow. चले. ठीक है. नहीं गिरूंगा. So here is the beauty, and here is our trek.
That's Prekchu River. Prekchu.
Prekchu River. Now this is Prekchu River. Rambo just enlightened me that this is Prekchu River, and this is our trek. I'm loving it. Whenever these yaks or mules come along, the trekkers have to get onto the mountain side. That's the discipline. That's the rule. हो गया और आ रहे हैं?
नहीं जितना ही है खत्म हो गया.
Now this is the bridge of Prekchu River. No, please go. This is like wonderful. This is the downstream. एंड ये मैं हूँ. ये रैम्बो है और हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं.
एक मिनट रुको ना, फोटो ले लेंगे. रुको ना.
Rambo is posing for his photo. Aritra is the photographer.
Yeah.
The most talented photographer on this earth.
Second only to you though.
Okay. Makes sense. I agree. ये प्लांट जो है बड़ा ही खतरनाक प्लांट है. अभी मेरे हाथ में टच हो गया एंड इतनी खुजली मारती है पूछो मत. हाँ मज़ा ही आ गया बिल्कुल. ये बिछुआती, हम लोग तो उड़िया में बिछुआती बोलते हैं. हाँ, कोई बिच्छू पौधा वौधा इधर का बोलते हैं लोकल लोग, बट है साला बिच्छू पूरा. ओके, द ट्रैक इज ऑन. अभी हम you see I have covered all that. Rest of the team is coming on the way, but today I am very happy that I am able to trek properly. There were a lot of leeches yesterday. Today we find less number of leeches. It's relatively dry today, and yesterday it was a lot more humid, and there was huge lot of perspiration yesterday because of the humidity and the warmth. Today it's relatively dry, and I am perspiring a lot less, and there is a lot of energy left now, and I'm kind of feeling energetic today. But it's a good trek. It is totally uphill. If you can see, people have left early and they have already started climbing a lot. Yes, my guide is signaling me to come faster. We are on our way to Bakhim, which is around 1.5 kilometers from here. And there will be breaking for lunch for probably half an hour. And then there is another uphill trek of another 2 kilometers from Bakhim to Tsoka. And we'll be breaking for the day in Shoka. And Shoka is 9,800 feet above sea level. So that's the height we'll be reaching today. And tomorrow we'll again start from Shoka. This is a steep trek. Now let me talk about few mountain manners. You see, I have learned few of them in this particular trek itself, but few of them I have learned earlier also. Whenever someone is coming down, you have to allow them to walk first. If you are ascending and people are descending, then people who are descending need to be allowed to go first. Even when mules are coming down or going up, mules and yak and so on, these animals, when they are coming down or going up, at that point of time you have to move towards the mountainside, so that if anything happens, at least you are secure. The third thing that I've learned is you have to keep your stick. This is the stick I have. You have to keep the stick with you and vertical. You cannot make it horizontal, because then there is a chance of your stick poking into the trekker behind you. So these are few things you need to learn. About some personal things, like you have to keep sipping water every now and then, because this being a cold environment, you keep sweating and dehydrating, and you never know when you dehydrate to a level where your body is not able to cope up anymore. This will cause a lot of muscle pain and reduction in your immunity. It may cause fever when you reach your halt point for the day. To avoid all these things, one needs to drink water, that too sip by sip, not all the water at a time. So water needs to be taken in small intervals. Every 15-20 minutes you need to take some water.
कितना अभी बस थोड़ा सा ही तो है वहाँ तक.
अब हम लोग आ गए हैं
आज गया
करीब कितना आ गए हम लोग?
बाकी हम आ गए
9,700 के आसपास आ गया होगा. 8,000 आ गया. अभी हम लोग 8,000 तक लगभग आए हैं. 8,000 feet above sea level. This is a beautiful valley out there. Okay, let me now introduce my friends.
Yes, sir.
This is Vivek or Rambo. This is our guide.
Hello.
Lokhan Bhai.
Hello, hi.
This is Vandana. This is
Tiger.
Rajat urf Tiger. And that's
अरे वंदना जी का नाम तो बुला नहीं आपने.
Alcoholic बंदे.
वो censored है. And that's our friend Ajay. Okay, and rest of the people are coming. And obviously this is me.
Your one and only.
You're friendly neighborhood. We have reached Bakhim, our lunch point. This is a good platform, like a place, kind of a plateau it seems. इसका यहाँ पर दरवाजे में ताला लगा है, सील किया हुआ है, लेकिन हम हैं, हम कूद के जाएंगे. देखो हमारे भाई लोग सब ऑलरेडी पहुँच चुका है. किसी का कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. पुलिस नहीं तो कोई यहाँ पर रूल नहीं मानता है. तो
बुद्धा भाई का इलाका है.
ये बुद्धा भाई का इलाका है. ठीक है, विथ बुद्धा भाई परमिशन हम लोग जा रहे हैं. कल को कोई पकड़ेगा तो इनका नाम लेंगे. ठीक, ओके. अब यहाँ से
यहाँ से एक सीढ़ी है, इस सीढ़ी से नीचे उतर के हमको ये ट्रेस पासिंग करना है. ओके, हियर ट्रेस पासिंग इज नॉट प्रोसिक्यूटेड. टेक दिस शॉट. नाउ वी आर एट बाखिम, 2638 meters above sea level, and then have a look at the view from here.
अरे भाई ज़्यादा नहीं.
नहीं इधर है.
Best.
Doggo, I know that you come with us just because you want to eat. Just because you want to eat all our food.
And here are our friends enjoying their lunch.
You can say vegetarian biryani. Vegetable biryani, that's what you can call it.
Vegetable biryani.
And I love it, it's nice.
बस दीक्षु लाउड बोलो.
Now it says welcome to the trail of rhododendrons, and then littering is prohibited. You can't throw anything, you can't pluck flowers or any vegetation, you can't put fire on. There is no hunting, you can't spit, no plucking flowers. This is World Wildlife Federation. This is the actual spelling of Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga. Okay.
No, but I mean like it's a product like
These are miniature strawberries. Yes, wild strawberries, and the taste and flavor is exactly the same. It is just that it's miniature in size, that's all.
आपको ब्लॉग कब आएगा, हम देखेंगे.
वंदना व्लॉग देखना चाह रही हैं, तो ऐसा है कि जब नेटवर्क में जाएंगे तब करेंगे. उससे पहले ROI लेना मेरे को.
ROE क्या होता है?
ROI होता है.
तो ROE क्या नया वाला निकला? Return on यार नहीं.
रिटर्न ऑन एफर्ट्स. अभी नीचे से जो बादल देख रहे थे, अब हम उसके अंदर हैं. हम बादलों के बीच पहुंच चुके हैं, करीब करीब 9200 फीट पे. एस्टिमेशन का बंदा हूँ, हिसाब किताब का धंधा है. नाउ दिस इज rhododendron.
Not blooming.
ऐसे होते हैं. हाँ, so when it blooms it looks like this. Okay, and when it doesn't bloom it looks like this. Birana. Okay, but then the season is over and it is not blooming now, but the feeling is equally great. Wow, this is something beautiful. Ajay is smiling and slowly approaching us. चढ़ते चढ़ते हम लोग दुनिया के पीक पे आ गए हैं. लगता है इसके आगे दुनिया ख़त्म है, लेकिन टाइग्रेस को थकान नहीं होती. As if they belong here. भाई तुम लोग क्या खाते हो रे? भाई तुम लोगों का तो पेट्रोल ख़त्म ही नहीं होता. This is Tsoka, 9,700 feet, which is 2,957 meters above sea level. This is a wonderful space. These are all government places. They are abandoned now. And the above whatever red you see, these are all camping sites. Okay, and this is the beauty of this place. Now we have reached our campsite. at Soka. Our second day trek is over. This is our campsite. This is mine and Rambo's camp. टेंट तंबू. आज तंबू में बम्बू उठाएंगे. And the scenic beauty is just breathtaking. This is wonderful. It's raining here at this moment. ये मोनास्ट्री है क्या? हाँ, here is the monastery. Okay.
उस तरफ पॉन्ड है.
हाँ, we'll go for a walk there.
पॉन्ड तो यही है, ये वाली बगल में.
किधर है पॉन्ड? हाँ, okay. Oh, wow, this is wonderful. Now I am proceeding to the monastery. The monastery is right here, and there's a beautiful pond here. It's very scenic. It's raining lightly. थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश हो रही है. And now let's go to the monastery. यहाँ थोड़ा केयरफुली चलना पड़ेगा. Seems the monastery is closed today. Okay, let's see if it opens by tomorrow. And there is our campsite. जाके है ना, वहाँ 3 दिन गाड़ी में बैठना है, कुछ भी नहीं करना है. 3 दिन लगते हैं. 3 दिन ऐसा लाचेन जाएगा, लाचुंग जाएगा, वापस आएगा 3 दिन. Look at the scenery, the scenic views, the mountains on the background.
लाचन का अलग, लाचुंग का अलग.
So here is the monastery.
दार्जिलिंग, गैंगटॉक, 2 दिन गैंगटॉक इज गुड. दार्जिलिंग कर सकते हो.
Behind these trees is our camping site. This is a beautiful pond out here.
That's a good point.
And that's the monastery, and this is the scenic beauty. We all have gathered over here.
हाँ, बस आपको रोज सुबह वॉक पे जाओ, रोज शाम को वॉक पे जाओ, बस बहुत है.
For acclimatization.
कल वापस पहुंच के देख लेंगे. गो और लेक जो है कार्तोक,
This is our entire group.
बहुत अच्छा लेक है, बहुत प्यारा लेक है वो.
This is our entire group.
You're like, go, guy. Enough. And then we come back in the car.
That's
Then they
Ludovic
arrive with a bamboo
and JB.
फिर गया मौसम. फिर गया मौसम.
stick. I mean, this is like 10 meters of acclimatization.
Now we are getting into a dense jungle, and थोड़ा हम लोग हमारे टूर जो ट्रैक लीडर है उनसे हम लोग थोड़ा अलग आए हैं. इसमें ज़्यादा ख़तरा तो है नहीं, बट स्टिल अलग आए हैं. तो नाउ शी इज़ काइंड ऑफ लिटिल वरीड. दैट्स ओके. वी आर काइंड ऑफ सेफ हियर.
रास्ता थोड़ा दुर्गम है, तो हम इसमें कोशिश करेंगे कि हम आराम से जा सके। ओए क्या भला हो भाई। I just hope we don't find leeches here. अरे भाई सेफली आ गए। अरे वाह, दिस इज लाइक वंडरफुल। ओह गॉड,
कोहरा ही कोहरा है।
ये कोहरा नहीं है, बादल है।
And that's our Jadu's doing susu.
हाँ। God, this is like beautiful place. JB, little careful, buddy.
Be careful. That would be very funny.
Panchi banu udti firu. We can go from the we can go from here.
Can we? साला मेरा पोंचो ऊपर छूट गया।
कहाँ पे?
ऊपर छूटा।
वहाँ पे?
मुझे लगा हम वहीं से। अब इस जंगल में से हम धीरे धीरे निकल रहे हैं। Okay. It has started raining again. I had left my poncho here, so I'm trying to pick it up. Abhishek is waiting downstairs. I'll be getting down now. Bye for now.